What up, babies? Back again. I'm back, y'all. I am back once again with another lit video. Y'all, this is another PR haul, and I'm extremely excited and flattered. So, before we get into it, come on. Y'all already know what to do. Y'all know what to do. Hit that like button. Come on, hit it and do the rest of that stuff. But only if you want to be a part of the Mama's House gang. Okay, y'all, out of the blue, I get an email from this company called MAJESTIC ZEN. Okay, they have their own website, but they are readily available on Amazon. He reached out to me and said, mamas, oh mamas, have you heard? He wanted to send me some of his stuff, and that he did. Oh boy, we got a lot of good stuff over here, y'all. Y'all ready? Because I am ready. So without further ado, let's get into this haul, y'all. Okay, so I unboxed it, but I didn't open it, okay? And the first one that I'm going to show you guys is the Love Candles. Okay, it says dreams without fears, love without limits, live without regrets. And the author is unknown. Okay. Oh, it's so freaking adorable. It's so cute. They're so cute. This is freaking adorable, y'all. The box is so cute. Okay, so it comes with 4 mini candles. And this one is the French lavender and vanilla. Look how cute. Look, isn't that adorable? It's adorable. Okay, French lavender and vanilla. It smells good. I like it. And y'all know how I am about lavender, but this works. Ooh, okay, I'm excited. What the? Oh, my bad. Okay. Oh, it's a lot of... Okay, so the next one is bright wood. Oh, it smells good. I promise you. It smells good. They're all so cute. Just freaking adorable. Next. Thai orchard. Ooh. Ah. Stop playing. Okay, the next one is I was about to say sandalwood, but reading is fundamental. Sandwood. Okay. They smell good too. It smells good. I promise you. Oh, snap. Okay. Oh, wait, I'm gonna put the Amazon link. Yeah, I'm gonna put the Amazon link in the description box below for all the ones that I'm looking at right now. Okay, I'm gonna do reviews on these too, though. I'm just saying. Okay, so the next one, Stefan and Jessica would absolutely jive with this. This is the meditation candles, and they're spelling candles with a K. Why is that? I don't know. Okay, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. And that's from Gautama Buddha. No, that's what it's from. Okay. These are cute too. Stop playing. So cute. Absolutely adorable. Oh, I smell it. I smell it. All right. Tea tree. Stop. All of them are cute. They all look the same in the box. They all look the same, but they're different. Okay, this one is intense. It smells good, but it's intense. My nose, it went all the way up there. Oh, snap. Oh, wow. This is some good stuff. Okay, the next one is chamomile. And the fact that... Oh, the notes is not on the back. The name is. Oh, I was about to say something. Okay, never mind. Ah, this got stuff in it. Wait. Did the other one... Wait, this got stuff in it. I didn't even show you. Just freaking stop playing. Look. What is this? Okay, this one is chamomile. Ah, this smells so good. This smells good. Oh my God, this smells good. Stop it. Oh, I think I want to burn this one right now. Okay, wait, let's look at the other one again. I'm going fast because y'all know this haul can't be for an hour, but because I'm going to review these. I'm going, trust and believe. Look, stop it. That's the tea tree one. It's a tree. No wonder it was a little strong for me. Y'all know how I am. Oh my God, these are cute. Stop playing with them like the next one. Stop it. Ooh, I'm so excited. The next one, these are so cute. The next one is rosemary. Uh-oh. Y'all ready? It smells it got some, it's rosemary peppermint. Some kind of mint. Is it in the mint family? Stop it. Look how cute. Ah, y'all know these are cute. Y'all better stop playing with Majestic Zen up in here. Oh, y'all, I'm having fun. You having fun? Okay, the last one in this collection. Oh my God. Oh. Lemongrass verbena. Oh, no. I think you like, remember the lime verbena from Bath & Body Works? You liked that, did I? Okay, you ready? I like it. And I like it a lot. Ah! Who else doing this? Drop it down below if y'all know another company that's doing this. This is adorable. They doing this. I promise you. Oh, snap. I got 2 more collections to go. Ooh, this is awesome. Okay, this is for the man candle. What's up? If you watching, please send me an email and tell me what's up with the K. Because when I do the review, I want to be educated. And you could just go on the website and read. Shut up. Do that for me. Okay. So, Man Candle says, I'm not here to fit into your world. I'm here to make my own. Okay, now when we get into the women candle, because I do believe I have a women one right there, it better say something just as empowering. What? Empowering. Okay. This is man. Stupid. Okay. Y'all. You ready? Oh, snap. It's 6 of them. They so cute. Okay, you ready? Okay, the first one. Look how cute. It's cute. All right, this one is respect. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Help. Okay. Oh, boy, I would like snuggle under him. I would snuggle under this man. If my man smells like this, I would snuggle under him. And I need hairy, right? He got a lot of that soft, curly hair. I like it. I like this one. Oh, see? It didn't do that, especially with the thing. You got me all souped up with these marbles, and now you don't have none, Shay. Oh, this is cute. Okay, y'all ready? Okay, the next one is meditation. Oh, this smells good. Oh my God, this smells good. So cute. I'm dropping stuff. Y'all see, the packaging is just set. We can't go on. Oh my God, look at the time. All right, so I'm not gonna show the packaging, Mom, because they all kind of look the same. Y'all see it on the review. How you gonna review these? You gonna do one collection at a time, or you gonna do? I don't know. Okay, the next one is love, exciting and new. Stupid. This smell good too. This smell good. They one wickedy. Y'all see how cute the one wickedys are? I want, what's the ounces? I don't know. Okay, the next one is what? Stamina. I couldn't get it out. Stamina. I would say stamina. I promise you. Okay, this one, not my favorite. But it's not horrid. Okay. Okay, next we got determination. I'm determined not to like this one. I don't know about this one. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. It's a little offsetting Cardi B. Okay, the last one in the man's collection is date night. Oh, this is going to smell like popcorn. Not all date nights smell like popcorn. You sure? I bet you. If it is, I'm throwing the phone. Okay, you ready? No, it don't smell like popcorn, but it do smell like I'm out on a date. I promise you. How y'all do that? Oh, okay. Okay, the last one. And I didn't do this because I am woman, hear me roar. It didn't work out like that. I promise you it just happened because that's how they placed over here. But the last one, I know this is the woman's one. Huh? My bad, y'all. The woman's one is the meditation one. With the pink. Ah, there you go. This is another man's one. Okay. Damn. Stupid. He said he watched my videos, y'all, so he know how I am. So y'all calm down. Say, Mama, you gotta be professional. He already know. Okay. The next one is this one. It's another man candle. Oh yeah, the man candle. They had number 1 and they had number 2. This is number 2. Okay. This one is. Oh, I didn't read the top. Hold on. This one says, choice, change. No, that's not what it says. It says choice. Chance, change. You must make the choice to take the change if you want anything to change. Okay. Stupid. That's cute. All right, you ready? This one is courage. Oh, you got to show. All right. Oh, sorry. Y'all all right? There you go. Oh, they got the little, oh, that's cute. Oh, they got sayings on everything. This is really intense. They put a lot of effort into these candles, y'all. That's all I'm saying. Okay, you ready? Oh, this one smells good. Ooh, this one smells good. What's the one? Courage? Okay, the next one is compassion. Oh, boy. And this one, I'm not compassionate about it. This one is okay. Not my favorite, but it smells good though. Yo, okay, the next one, y'all. Persistence. No, seriously, persistence. Yeah, that's all I'm saying. You ready? Yeah, persistence. Persistence can get it. It smells good. It smells real good. Whew. Now this one gonna put you in the mood. I'm in the mood for love. All right, you ready? Okay, the next one is calm. That's what I need to do. I need to calm down. Whew, you ready? How many times you gonna ask them if they ready? I'm sorry. This one smells good too. This one is light. Ooh, this smells good. All of these smell. Not one LePew. Not one LePew. Thus far, I got 2 left. Okay, you shouldn't have spoke too soon. We'll see. Passion. Okay. Not my favorite, but so I got 3 not my favorites, right? But they not horrid. All right. Okay, this is the last one. This one got to be a banger. Okay. Satisfaction. I can't get no satisfaction, but I try. Will you get copyrighted for singing that? I sound nothing like them. You ready? Okay, yeah. Oh, baby. Oh, my God. Yeah, this is good. Whew. So only 3 was a little offsetting Cardi B for me because y'all know sometimes those woody, y'all know. But that's on cold. We don't know what it's gonna be like on burn. How am I gonna review these? All right, let's brainstorm. Put it down below, Joe. Do y'all think I should do like forget it. I'm gonna do what I want to do. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a box at a time, a collection at a time. Let's call these a collection because that's what it is. They put a lot of these are cute. They're not too big, but they cute. Look how cute. Stop it. Stop. Y'all know they cute. Y'all need to stop doing that. Come on now. We got people watching. We got to behave at Mama's house. Gang. Come on now. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do, yeah. Okay, look. I am so excited about this. So thank you so much to Majestic Zen for thinking about mamas and sending me these yummy smelling candles. These candles smell absolutely divine, y'all. They really do, y'all. But guess what? Guess what? Guess what? They didn't just think about mamas. They thought about the babies too. Y'all, we got a coupon code. Okay? Through Amazon, you can get 20% off of your purchase using the code CALLMESHAY. CALLMESHAY. Get your 20% off today. Bars. Poet. Y'all know it. Okay? I promise you. Look, yo, I am so excited to burn these things. So let me get to it. I don't know which ones to do first, but I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get. Just stay tuned, okay? I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and that's it. That's it. That's all. And having said all that, having said all of that, I will see you, babies, later. I love your guts, and y'all be good.